Today, I'm going to dive deep into an often overlooked aspect of any blog writing content that is a headline. Headline is the most critical part of any blog content as it is the deciding factor for further engagement with any reader. The first impression, or a way to grab the attention of your audience, is the headline of your blog. It sets the tone for the rest of the blog content. Tips for writing headlines that are eye-catching, interesting, and powerful. Remember, the first 3 words matter. These 3 words could be a combination of buzzwords like growth hacks, powerful and inspiring words combined with adjectives like stunning and spectacular. Maintain a standard character limit of 60 characters that is around 10 to 12 words. Google can only understand the first 60 characters objectively. Call to action nature of headlines make them click-worthy, like FOMO, that stands for fear of missing out, such as the above one, click-worthy. Reason why the reader should take the desired action, or unique selling point of the content. Informative, inspiring, and innovative nature of a headline always grabs the attention of your audience. Informative word combinations like how to, 5 secrets to, etc. Inspiring words like growth hacks to. Innovative words like groundbreaking ideas to. Leverage the power of numbers in your headline. Example, 9 steps to digital marketing success. Emotive word content in a headline arouses curiosity and generates interest in a reader's mind, like path-breaking inventions to change your life. Believe me, if you are a blogger or aspiring to be one, this is your first step to blogging success. Don't forget to like and subscribe the channel.